जैसा कि सलमान खान ने भी रिसेंटली कहा था, इनके इतने सारे फैंस हैं और इनको सब तहे दिल से चाहते हैं एंड इनकी खूबसूरती काफ़ी तारीफ़ करते हैं, इंक्लूडिंग अस, इंक्लूडिंग सलमान खान हिमसेल्फ. सो गोना ट्राई एंड फाइंड आउट कि इन ब्यूटी सीक्रेट्स के पीछे राज क्या है. But you get that too often, isn't it? Like everybody says, "Oh my God, like you have such great skin. You have such flawless makeup done."
Flawless makeup goes thanks to the wonderful makeup artists who I get a chance to work with.
But I must say, the last time we saw you really like smile was also with Salman on Big Boss, where he went into this whole. जैसे मैंने start किया था कि I think लोग आपके बहुत fans हैं, and he really said really sweet things to you. That was so cute.
Yeah, absolutely. I think I think our Big Boss helping us as a platform for Futur is very important. The reach that show has and the connect it has to such a huge audience is really important for a film like Futur. We do need that reach, and we need that larger audience connect. And Salman was very gracious enough to really kind of support the film in a wonderful way. And it was a wonderful experience for the whole team of the film.
नहीं, absolutely. I think एक तरफ सलमान कटरीना को everybody wants to see, and then of course you also want to see you and Ranveer together. जग्गा हो रहा है, but बहुत सारे issues हैं sets पे कि हो नहीं पा रहा है shoot complete. That's what we heard.
Absolutely not. The shooting of Jagga Jasoos is going on. See, it's a film which has been taking a little bit of time, but that is Anurag Basu's process. Like, yes, and yes, and as we here at L'Oreal say, I know and I believe in my heart that Jagga Jasoos is definitely going to be worth it in the end, because I know and I believe that Dada's, as we call him, Dada's vision is very special. I don't know if you saw Barfi as a film, but for me it was just such a beautiful, magical story, and his mind, a person who can create a movie like that, I think any actor would have wanted to be a part of the film, and I'm really happy I got the opportunity to be a part of the film. And I know that Dada's going to make something really special. And every day going on the set, it's almost like you feel like you're going to school, because you don't know what he expects so much of you and your full attention as an actor, and he doesn't go with what is predictable.
Yeah.
He's looking for something new. He's looking for that aspect of you which is really true and which is undiscovered. And that's what I'm really excited about with this film.
Everybody's of course asked you the question already about how the breakup with Ranveer is. Everybody's writing about it. पर मुझे ये जानना है आपसे कि क्या आपको लगता है ये एक्स्ट्रा प्रेशर होता है आपकी रिलेशनशिप में क्या हो रहा है, वो आपका निजी मामला होता है?
From the last however many years I've been working in the industry, there's always been speculation on not just me but any actor's personal life. It's part of the industry. It goes hand in hand with being a public figure, and you just have to see it for what it is. So whether it's this year or this month or the last 8-9 years, if I look at, there's many, and there constantly is speculation on one's personal life. You have to just take it with a pinch of salt, just smile and keep your mind focused on your work.
You definitely can discuss anything. कबीर रोज उन्होंने हमें confidently कहा था कि कटरीना इस साथ शादी नहीं करेगी, don't worry. मुझे पता है, she had a lot of movies to do. He had told that to her.
So to me that sounds like he's got a movie up his sleeve which he's planning with me.
ने मुझे बहुत ही in a very candid manner में आपने मुझे एक बात कही थी कि for actors it becomes very tiring because like all of us हमारी ज़िंदगी में भी उतार और चढ़ाव आते हैं. You have those ups and downs, and to explain every move becomes really tiring. I think that you had very nicely said that if there's a breakup or there's a relationship or anything, to come and explain is more tiring than anything else. Do you stand by that? Is that also now same case?
See, what I stand by is the fact that people are free to think or to speculate or to decide or assume. As they feel the need to what is happening in my personal life, but I'm not going to comment on that now or ever. Well, never say never. One thing I've learned in life is never say never, but I'm not going to, I mean, for the most part, as I said, I would just really love the attention to come back to my work and my identity as a professional, as an actor, and today as a spokesperson.
We obviously हम La Vie en Rose collection की बात कर रहे हैं, विच हम बता दें कि मतलब है लाइफ इन पिंक, लाइफ इज पिंक, गुलाबी. Are you a pink sort of person?
I think I personally love pink, and I think pink is a very wearable color. And of course, the launch which I did today is La Vie en Rose. It's a collection of pink lipsticks.
Yeah.
My personal signature shade is what we call delicate pink because it's easy to wear, and that's honestly why I like it.
Thank you so much once again.
Thank you.
Rudran Chatraj with camera person Kailash, Zoom, Mumbai.